tell you how to make a beautiful flower. First, you have to take a square craft paper like this. Now, fold it like a triangle and fold it like another triangle and fold it like here. Now, we need to draw a shape like this. Next, we need to cut like this. I took the help of my mom to cut the craft paper. Now, let me unfold it and show you the petals. I'm going to unfold it. Yay! It came! See my flower! Now, see my petals! It's good, right? Now, I'm going to... Now, I took the pink flowers to do a big flower. First, I'm going to paste the first pink flower. I'm going to take the gum and I'm going to apply small drop. Now I'm going to paste this flavor. Now I paste it. On the second one, we have to cut one petal and fold it like this. And now I have to put gum on this petal and stick it like this. I did it over here also. I cut already two petals and here 3 petals. Now I'm going to take the gum. I will paste one after other. Don't stop it. Here is it. Can you see my beautiful flower here? See my flower. It's nice, right? Boy. Can you see my flower? It's my flower. Now I will show you hacks. So let's start. Bye. Stay home, stay safe, stay still. Bye-bye. This is my flower. Take care. Bye-bye. In my next video, I will show you hacks.
Oh, super. Amma mukistana?
Yes.
Super, mama.
No, Nikki. No.